Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever done this? You started a new diet, you were motivated and committed, and you did everything right. And the weight started coming off. You lost 5 pounds, then 10 pounds, maybe even 20 or 30 pounds. And you felt great. You felt proud, and you were thinking, this is it. This time is different. But then life got busy, and you got tired, and you had a stressful week, and you ate a little more than usual, and then suddenly you noticed the weight started creeping back in. Not just the weight you lost, but even more. And you thought, what is wrong with me? Why can't I just keep it off? Why does this keep happening? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Today, I want to explain what's actually happening because it's not exactly what you think. If we haven't met yet, I'm Dr. Anna. I'm your med diet doc. I'm a medical doctor and I've helped thousands of adults lose weight and keep it off using simple, sustainable approaches, both in my clinical work and here online. What I'm about to tell you might actually make you feel relieved. Here's what I hear all the time. People tell me, I've lost 20 pounds, Dr. Anna, on Weight Watchers, but then I gained back 25. Well, I lost 30 pounds on keto, then I gained back 40. Or I lost weight counting calories, but as soon as I stopped tracking, it all came back. Now, every single time, people say the same thing over and over. They always say, I thought this time would be different, but then it wasn't. And here's what makes it so hard. You start to believe that the problem is you, that you don't have enough discipline, that you're not strong enough, that you're lazy, that you just can't stick with anything. But here's what I want you to hear me loud and clear. It is not you. It is not just your fault. It is not that your body is broken. What is actually happening is that your body is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Allow me to explain. When you go on a diet, especially a strict one, your body doesn't think, oh, great, we're getting healthier. Your body actually thinks, we're not getting enough food. Something is wrong. So it does what it's designed to do. It tries to protect you. Here's how. It slows down your metabolism. Your body will start using less energy to do the same things. You might even start to burn fewer calories. It can also increase your hunger. Your body's going to start releasing hormones and signalers that make you feel hungrier. Not always just a little hungrier, like really, really hungrier. And usually you're pulled into wanting to eat the fastest, tastiest calories that you can get your hands on. Very sugary, very salty, and very fatty foods. It makes you think about food all the time. A lot of diets, suddenly you'll find yourself thinking about food every hour of the day. It's like it's all you can think about. You're planning your next meal when you're eating. You're craving things you don't even normally want. Maybe you wake up thinking about food in the morning and you go to bed thinking about food at night. How exhausting. And it can also make you tired. Doing a lot of restrictive diets will drop your energy. You might start to feel sluggish. You don't want to move around as much when that's the case. So you overall are moving your body less and burning even fewer calories. Do you see how all of this is your body trying to get you to eat more? Because your body thinks you're in danger. That's why this is happening. And here's the hardest part. The longer you diet, the stronger these signals get. So when you finally give in and you have a cheat day and you start eating the way you did before your diet, your body is going to hold on to every single calorie even harder because it's preparing for the next time it doesn't get enough fuel or the next time you don't eat enough. That is why people say, I lost 20 pounds, but then I gained back 30. It's not because you failed. It's because your body was doing exactly what it was designed to do. This is biology running the show. Now, if you're watching this and you're thinking, okay, Dr. Anna, so what do I do instead? I really need to lose weight. If I don't do a diet, how can I actually achieve weight loss? Well, I teach a completely different approach that will free you from dieting with my free Mediterranean weight loss webinar. It is designed to help you lose weight without triggering this whole response. This is so your body doesn't actually fight you and you can start losing weight by enjoying your life and having the weight stay off. You can register for the free webinar by clicking the link below this video in the description. Or if you're watching this from a TV, open up your phone to the camera app and hover over this QR code. The link to register will pop right up. Now, let me tell you why this happens even more after age 50. Here is something most people don't realize. After around 50, your body is even more protective than ever before. Your metabolism is more sensitive, and you may have heard things like your metabolism slows down when you get older. Well, your hormones start to shift. Your body starts to hold on to fat more easily. This is especially true for women around menopause and after menopause. And it will often take longer for you to recover from stress. Notice how if you get injured as a kid, like you break your arm or your leg or you fell off your bike, you could recover faster than if you took a fall as an older adult. So when you go on a restrictive diet after 50, your body does not respond the same way it does when you're 30. It will slow down your metabolism even more. It can increase your hunger even more. It will hold on to fat even tighter. This is why so many people tell me, I used to be able to lose weight so easily, but now nothing works for me anymore. Well, it's not that nothing works anymore. It's that your body is working differently now, so the approach needs to be different. That older approach, the one you used when you were younger, of just eating less, moving more, cutting calories harder, being super restrictive, it's not going to work in the same way. And your body needs a different approach, one that supports it instead of fighting against it. If you've lost weight and gained it back, if you've done this over and over again, if you feel like your body is broken or that you failed, you haven't. Your body's not broken. You're not weak. You're not lazy. You were just taught to lose weight in a way that works against your body, especially after 50. Now, once you understand what's actually happening, you can stop fighting your body so hard and start to use tactics and approaches that work with your body instead of against it. And that is when weight loss will finally feel different for you. Not harder, actually easier. That is exactly what I teach in my free Mediterranean weight loss webinar. Inside that webinar, I walk you through how to lose weight without your body fighting against you, how to keep that weight off for good, and how to make this work for your real life. So you don't have to live a life where you have to avoid doing certain things just because you're dealing with being overweight. You can click the link below this video to register for that webinar. Or if, again, you're watching from a TV, scan the QR code that you see on the screen. Now, let me tell you what happens when you do start to work with your body. Your hunger can calm down. Your cravings can go away. Your energy can come back. The food noise in your head starts to get quiet or even go entirely. And weight loss will start to feel automatic. It's not something you have to force all the time. It's not like you're white knuckling your way through every single day. This all just starts to click and get easier. I see this happen all the time with the people I work with. And they are at all different age brackets. I even work with folks over age 80. They all tell me the same thing. I seem to be eating more than I was before when I was calorie counting or when I was doing this or that diet, but I'm actually losing weight and I haven't regained any. It's crazy. I'm not thinking about food all day anymore either. Or I hear things like, I finally feel like my body doesn't hate me. That is what it feels like when you stop dieting and you start living in a way that your body can actually sustain. So if you're watching this right now and you've been through this horrible cycle before, you lost weight, then regained it back more times than you can count or want to admit, and you're frustrated, scared, or you feel like giving up, I really want you to know it is not too late for you. Your body is not broken. You are not alone. Thousands of people have felt exactly what you're feeling, and they've found a way forward, not through another diet or a supplement or another hack, but through a way of eating and living that their body can actually sustain. And that is what makes all the difference. So here's what I want you to do right now. If this video has been helpful for you to understand what's been going on, I want you to send it to 3 people who you know are also struggling with their weight. Maybe it's a friend, maybe it's your partner, maybe it's a neighbor or a colleague. You might actually be the reason they stop blaming themselves and can turn their whole health around. And then if you want to learn the entire approach that actually works with your body instead of against it, do not forget to register for my free Mediterranean weight loss webinar. Now, when you're ready, jump into my next video up here. We're going to dive into way more weight loss tactics that help you keep the weight off long term. You are not going to want to miss this. Jump into that video. I'll see you over there.